So guys, this is our delicious smoothie. So I add some ice in, and hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So how are we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So in today's video guys, we are doing a banana and strawberry blueberry smoothie. Okay guys, so you know now we are in summer period, so you need to eat good food and drink good food, drink that will give you energy. Okay, so this is step-by-step recipe of how to make your smoothie, your banana and blueberry and strawberry smoothie. So guys, let me introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my banana and strawberry blueberry or any. So here is our strawberry. Let me use this straw. Here is our strawberry and our blueberry. This is our blueberry. I've washed it. This is our strawberry, and this is the banana we are going to use. I have more, but I'm going to use this one first. And this is our lime. I'm going to use this lime, 2 lime, in making this. And our yogurt, you can use pure yogurt, so I'm using this strawberry yogurt. So this is our milk, our liquid milk, and this is the jar I'm going to pour our smoothie, and our knife and spoon, what I'm going to use in bring out the juice of the lime. So guys, and this is our blender. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to wash my hand, though I've washed my hand before, but I'm going to wash my hand again. So before I will start, I will now chop the banana into pieces before blending. So keep on watching guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please just subscribe. Okay, we are not proud, we are just begging. Okay, please subscribe, like, share, comment if you like this recipe. Okay, so let me not take you guys time. Thank you. So guys, I've chopped the banana, so I'm about to start adding. So I'll add, this is it. I'm going to add the strawberry, the blueberry, our milk, the yogurt, some yogurt, sorry, I'm going to add 2 spoons of the yogurt. Oh, and the lemon water, and I'll add some water on it, cover and blend. Oh, I've not on it. Guys, a minute, let me on my blender. So guys, I'm about to blend it now. See? Strawberry. It's ready. Okay guys, so guys, this is our delicious smoothie. So I add some ice in, and this is good to go, guys. So guys, how do you see this delicious smoothie? Please, if you like it, give us a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. Okay.